Hello and welcome. What is User Account Control, or UAC? User Account Control is a security feature first introduced in Windows Vista and now improved in Windows 7. It increases security by running everything on your computer as a normal user account. When a request is made to Windows to install a program, or something else requiring elevated administrative permissions, UAC prompts the user to authorize the elevation and permission, allowing the program to make system changes. Basically, UAC will ask your permission before allowing anything to make changes that could impact your system, or changes that would affect other user accounts. When you see a UAC prompt, you should carefully review the information and make sure the change is something you are making to your system. If you are installing a game or application on your computer and a UAC prompt pops up, you should allow it to make changes. If you go to your computer after the neighborhood kid was playing on it and find a UAC prompt, you should probably not allow it. In the Windows XP days, malware would simply install itself on your system without you knowing. Today with User Account Control, there is a human buffer preventing unauthorized software from making changes. I would highly recommend that you keep UAC enabled. It will have a significantly positive impact on the security and performance of your computer, especially over a long period of time. If after reviewing the benefits of User Account Control, you decide to disable UAC, you would perform the following steps. Click on the Start button, then Control Panel. The Windows Control Panel will open. Now we could click on System and Security and then change User Account Control settings, but I would like to show you that if you can't find something in the Control Panel, you can search for it. In the top right of the window is the search field. This will search through all the options in the Control Panel. Type in UAC. You will see under Action Center is a link for Change User Account Control Settings. Click it. If you have User Account Control enabled, it will ask your permission to make changes. Click the Yes button. The User Account Control Settings window will open. By default, it is set to Always Notify. This means that you will get the UAC prompt when programs try to make changes, or when you change Windows settings. If you turn down the settings one notch, now it will only notify you when programs try to make changes to your system. By turning it down one more notch, you get the same settings as before, except it doesn't dim the desktop. This is for when your system has trouble with the dimming process. By turning it down one more notch, it will disable UAC. You will get no more prompting at all. Click the OK button to confirm our change. You will get the UAC prompt one more time. Click the Yes button. Now that UAC is disabled, you won't get any prompting when changes are made to your system.